Hello everyone, I am back with my new video in which I am going to make a flower basket by using a thermocol ball, or we can use a rubber ball also for this. For this I have marked two circles on the upper side and the lower end of the ball. One is the big and another one is small. Small is for the stand of the basket and the larger one is to place the flowers in it. For this I have used the nails and on both the sides where I have marked the circles I have to place the nails, or if you have that all pin you can use that also. Like this, see how I have placed it, and you will do it like this. And after that I have used some flowers to keep in the basket, in which I'll be showing in my next video that how the pom-pom flowers are made. And then for the handle of that basket I used a wire and which I shape of handle, and then I wrapped it around with lace. And you can see that how am I doing. I just wrap it around with the lace, beautiful lace, golden color, and then I just secure it with the use of cotton and one more nail, and you can see that how it has been made. And this is the final look of my basket. You just see it and tell me that how is it. If you like my video, then please give your love to this and watch it, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. And in the next video I will be showing you more things which you would like.